Good morning. I have mom bun right now. But today I I have I have a lot of stuff to do today. A lot of like house chores and things, but that's normal. But as far as plant things go, let me show you what I got. So oftentimes this table becomes a mess, so I need to clean this up. And I got another hook for my bedroom because my husband's fern collection is growing and I want to make sure he has plenty of space to hang his plants. But I have these 3 syngonium cuttings that I'm actually going to pot up together and put them in one big pot. I'll clip that, I didn't want to come off. And then I need a home for this guy. And let's see, what else did I need to do? I might pot him up. He could use a little terracotta pot. And maybe I'll take you around while I do some watering. Last week, this guy finally bloomed and he's already closing up. So I'm going to insert a picture I took so you can see how my little moonlight bloom turned out. And now I have another new leaf and another flower. So that's kind of exciting. And then Target for the win on these really cute little pots. They were 2 for $3. I kind of wish I would have bought more, but little backstory behind this cutting. I bought a plant and upon inspection when I came home, he was kind of just thrown in it. Like he was stuck in the leaves. So I didn't take him. He was just in there. I didn't know he was in there. I found him. And so now I'm going to plant him. So I have a surprise little Tradescantia that I'm trying to grow. And we'll see what comes of this. But Target, how cute. How cute. I love it. I also got another, I swear I can get it. I swear. Curtain rod. The one in the bedroom's too short. And with the extra hook, we now have space to put a longer rod. So room for more plants. But I wish I had more as far as a vlog is concerned. I don't have too much right now. My baby's had a little fever lately, so all my attention has been on her. But she's asleep right now, and my husband's home, so I have help. And I'm going to do a little bit of maintenance and things I need to do. I'm going to repot a couple of those things, and I think that's all I have really today. It's not a lot, but we'll do some planty chores. Want to do some planty chores? Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I need to repot my Pilea because it's stuck. I think my Pilea is a little sick. She's not loving me right now. I put some fertilizer in it because I think it might have been a little nutrient deficient. I'm pretty sure it's nutrient deficient. But I'm also going to give it a salt rinse. Well, rinse the salt and maybe even put it in some new soil because it has new growth. And it's got new growth. But it's losing a lot of leaves. So we're going to give this guy a little rehab. So this poor guy might seem healthy, but you know when you look at a plant, you can just tell he's not happy. It's getting a little leaf curling, which I know is a nutrient thing. And then I'm getting this, like, I don't know if it's bacteria or fungus, but some of the leaves are developing it along the outside, on the undersides of the leaves, and I don't know what that is. So if y'all can help a girl out, that would be great. In the meantime, what I might do is just cut off the infected areas. And this one doesn't have any. It's just mostly these large leaves. So I'm probably just going to cut off some of the infected areas just in case it's bacterial or whatnot. I don't really know, but I'm going to transplant him and put him in some fresh new soil, give it a good rinse off, give it some food, and see how he does, because I think he needs to go in the plant hospital. So I also have this dracaena. I don't know how to say it. And I noticed, I thought it was kind of odd, how every time I would water, it would float out of the pot. You see that? Until I did this. Yeah, he's getting repotted right now. But I will leave you there. Short but sweet. Just a little vlog video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, because that's basically what it is. We're just hanging out and doing plant stuff together. So thank you. I'll see you guys soon. Have a great one. Bye.